before we get into a really long story time, currently I'm obsessed with Labubu. Like, I was so sick the last few weeks. Like, I had a fever, and it was the Labubu fever, and the only solution to feeling better was more Labubu. I've got Labubu fever, can't stop now. Now, I got these for myself, but I also got them to do a giveaway and to give to some friends. So I am gonna do an unboxing here, and I'm also gonna be doing a giveaway, so I'll put a link in the description where you can get all of the info. Now let's cut into story time of how we got to where we currently are. How did we get here? It felt like just a month ago when I got my first Labubu, and I was like, I'm only gonna get one. Okay, maybe two. Fast forward, now we are a month into this obsession, and here I sit with several boxes of Labubu. So I just got back from like 3 weeks of travel, and I had the best time. And on this trip, I took my Labubu with me. I had one, this beautiful lychee berry pink Labubu. I got her outfits, I got her accessories. And then when I was in France, we walked past the store that had some Labubu, and this was the first time that I had seen them in the wild. And at this point, I had not done my research. I didn't know that much about fakes, and I just trusted this dude. So anyway, I get this one. You guys saw me do my second unboxing, and I was a little disappointed because I kind of wanted a more fun color, but it turns out I actually really love this color. I ended up matching it with a ton of my outfits, wore it to a bunch of my events that I had gone to. Now fast forward from France to Greece, we're now in London where I go to a Linkin Park concert. I decked out my Labubu in Linkin Park gear. So after the show, I ended up seeing Mike Shinoda, and like I joked and showed him my Labubu, and then I was like, actually, do you want it? Like, I'll give it to you. Like, this is a great ending to her journey. Now the next day, my thought process was I'm never going to get another lychee berry again because she is gone, she is off on a journey, and I'm pretty happy with my one little have a seat. Until we walk past this shop in London called Statement, and there's like a million Labubu, like legit Labubu. At this point, I know everything there is to know about fakes. Like, I've done my research. Well, I can't say that I can spot them a mile away because some of them are really good, but these all look legit. Super stoked, talked to the owner, and then I went inside. Yeah, anyway, I buy 3. Until the day before my flight, because I want to bring some back for friends and also do a giveaway. Now, if you are new here, you may not know that I actually have a tech channel, so most of my content is tech, but throughout the 19 years of my channel, it has been a wide variety of everything from cooking to vlogs to pretty much anything that you could imagine. So this is sort of just a natural fit. My other obsession is Amiibo from Nintendo. Love these. I've been collecting them since pretty much the very beginning. Long story, not short at all. Now it's time to unbox. So now how this is gonna work is I'm going to open them until I get a full set. Then I'm gonna continue opening, but not actually open the Labubu. I'm gonna cheat and see what it is because there's a little card in it that will tell you what color it is. And if it's not a secret, I'll put the card back in and seal it back up, and that will be one that I give to a friend. Now I'm not gonna tell them what color it is, so that'll be a surprise. They will know that it's not a secret, because if I got a secret and I gave it to one of my friends, we might not have to be friends anymore because I would be stealing it back off of them. I'm not gonna be opening these ones because you can already see them and they're staying in their containers. Let's get down to business. It's not clocking to you that we are standing on business. I'm actually sitting, I'm sitting on business. We're going to do Big Into Energy. My favorites, I think actually is the Have a Seat. I'm not sure. I thought that when I first started this journey that I didn't like those ones as much. No. They are my favorite. I really like them. But the Big Into Energy are my favorite color combinations. So let's do this. So here are all the color combinations that we can get: loyalty, hope, love, luck, happiness, and serenity. And of course there is a secret one. Oopsies. Okay, here they all are. This is so exciting. Oh my goodness. Our first one. Oh, she's perfect. Loyalty. She's got the sparkly little eyes. Happiness. Oh, I like that their little toes are painted. Are your toes painted too? Yes, they are. They're yellow. Here's our pulls so far. This is the only way to unbox these. Oh no, the card has spoiled the surprise. Serenity. They need to be fluffed up after their journey. No secret yet. It probably would be easier with a smaller knife, but. Okay, this is probably my favorite one. This is luck. Will we get a secret? Oh, look at her. She's so cute. They're all so cute. I mean, they're cute, but like, are they cute? I'm not sure. I think maybe I'm delusional, but that's okay. Here's hope. We only have one more. That's not true. We have 6 more. Those ones are not gonna get opened because those are for friends and for maybe one of you. Oh, I don't want to be disappointed because she's really cute too. She's love. She's not secret. I don't want to be disappointed because I'm so excited that I have all of these now. I am unwell. We're gonna continue on. This is gonna take a lot longer than I thought it was. I feel like one of these is going to be our secret winner. Let's hope. No secret. Happiness, not a secret. This I feel like is gonna be it. No, luck. Please, 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 please be the secret. Plenty of other opportunities for secret. Let's do have a seat because they're kind of like my favorite. Oh, you're all squished. We need to get you unsquished. The have a seat cards are also the cutest. Look at you. Next up. I do have a duplicate now because I do already have this one. Just counting the teeth, making sure you're real. Hoping for a secret, hoping for a miracle. It's what we're here for. Oh, I already looked, shoot. Spoiled the surprise. Not a secret. Oh, she's seeping. You're so cute. The last one. Not a secret, but we love her anyway. Look at her. All right, so here we are, almost full set. Things are not looking great for us in the secret front. All right, well, let's continue with have a seat. Nope, Baba again. I think this is gonna be it. No, it's not. Nope, nope. Not secret. Only got our little macarons left. Soy milk! This is chaos. This is just super unhinged. Green grape. Something like, look at you. Looks like you had a little surgery and you got stitched up. Lychee berry, she's home. She has returned home. This is getting a little overwhelming. I don't know where to put everything. Are you toffee? Yes, you look like toffee. Are you toffee? Toffee it is. Oh, sesame bean. We either have a secret or we don't have a secret. No secret, no secret. But this is sea salt coconut. You are cute. So pretty much all of them are unboxed. Like my entire collection, we've got them all here now. This is pretty cool. And I'm even more excited because I can't wait to give some to my friends. Making other people happy is so exciting and I love to give gifts. We've got 1 box left. Let's pray to all of the Labubu gods. That is gonna be the special one, the special secret. I think I have 1 more. Is this the last one? Green grape. Okay, no secrets. All right, friends, that does it for the Labubu unboxing. I'm so excited to be able to give some of these to you guys. Follow the link in the description for more information. And of course, leave me a comment. Do you love Labubu? Do you not like Labubu? Love or hate, the giveaway is happening. So you can do whatever you want with it when it is in your possession. Also, because I've been so into UV printing, I want to put something fun and custom that I print in. So I'll put that also in the box. So not only are you gonna get a Labubu, but you'll also get a little special something for me that I've handmade for you.